So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back to Secure Tech Academy's Linux series. In this video, we're going to cover some essential networking commands in Linux. In today's interconnected world, understanding how to check your network configuration, test connectivity, and trace network paths directly from the command line is a vital skill for any IT professional. Let's explore these fundamental networking tools. The ifconfig command, short for interface configuration, is traditionally used to display and configure network interface parameters. It shows you details like the IP address, MAC address, network mask, and broadcast address for each network interface on your system. While ifconfig is being superseded by the IP command on many modern Linux distributions, it's still widely used, and understanding its output is beneficial. Simply typing ifconfig will display information for all active interfaces. You can also specify a particular interface by using ifconfig --eth0 to see details for that specific network connection. The IP command is the modern and more powerful tool for network configuration and information. It can do much more than ifconfig. To see basic information about your network interfaces, you can use IP space ADR space show or simply IP space A. This will display similar information to ifconfig, but often in a more structured format. You can also use IP space route space show or IP space R to display the system's routing table, which determines how network traffic is directed. To test basic network connectivity, the ping command is your go-to tool. Ping sends ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, echo requests to a specified host and listens for replies. This helps you determine if a host is reachable and the round-trip time for packets to travel to the host and back. For example, ping space google.com will send ping requests to Google's servers. You can stop ping by pressing Ctrl-C. When you need to trace the path that network packets take to reach a destination, the traceroute command, or trace path on some systems, is invaluable. It shows you each hop or router that the packets pass through on their way to the target host, along with the time it takes to reach each hop. This can be very useful for diagnosing network connectivity issues and identifying where potential problems might lie. For example, traceroute space google.com will show you the path to Google's servers. These essential networking commands, ifconfig, or IP, ping, and traceroute, provide you with the ability to examine your network configuration, test basic connectivity to other hosts, and trace the path of network traffic. Mastering these commands is crucial for network troubleshooting and understanding how your Linux system interacts with the network. Understanding these fundamental networking commands is a vital skill for anyone working with Linux systems. They allow you to diagnose network issues and understand your system's network configuration. In our next and final video of this series, we'll explore the basics of scripting and automation in Linux, introducing you to tools like bash, cron, and aliases to help you streamline your tasks. And that concludes our lesson. Next, we will get into scripting and automation. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.